Hi everyone, I'm Mike, a South Florida firefighter, back with DroneNerds to talk about the DJI Matrice 300 versus the DJI M30T and their impact on fire rescue operations and first responders. The M300 at this point is well known as the flagship workhorse drone for DJI. With its triple gimbal system, a vast array of different payload combos can be attached for any number of emergency situations, making it one of the most versatile UAV options available. The M30 series, however, is more lightweight and compact, yet still highly durable drone that can be utilized for thermal missions as well as aerial reconnaissance. Today we're going to be going over their features and considerations to make when determining which drone is right for your program. Let's talk about benefits, starting with portability. The M30T is significantly more compact and lightweight, about half the weight and half the dimensions of the Matrice 300. It also has a thermal payload integrated into the drone, which minimizes prep time before flying. If portability or available transport space is a primary concern for your department, the M30T would be a more ideal solution. Let's talk about some flight stats. Both drone options can fly at a max speed of 51 miles an hour. However, the Matrice 300 wins out in battery time of 55 minutes. Compared to the M30T's 41 minutes. Both drones have hot swappable battery, so when you are back on the ground, you can ensure you're back in the air quickly. Durability and safety features. Despite the difference in size, the M300 and M30T have almost identical scores when it comes to durability. They both have onboard 360 obstacle avoidance, with DJI's health management system and an operating temperature range of minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. The M30, however, is more protected from dust with its IP55 rating compared to the Matrice 300's IP45 rating. The score means it is more resistant to dust getting in critical systems and causing damage. This is certainly worth making a focal point for departments located in drier, dustier areas when considering a drone and ongoing maintenance. Unique features. There are a few key unique features of each drone that is certainly worth pointing out. The biggest difference is the Matrice 300's ability to support 3 gimbals at a time, giving it a wide range of payloads available to it. No other drone has access to as many potential combos to address near any situation. Beyond the triple gimbal system, the Matrice 300 also has dual control capability, allowing teams to switch controllers when the drone reaches beyond visual line of sight, ensuring safety for the drone and operators while covering a large area. The M30T has its unique features, including a 3-prop emergency landing protocol. Ideally, you'll want to keep your drone safe in the air, but emergencies do happen, and having a feature like this in place helps to ensure the longevity of your drone, with repairs being a far better option than full replacements. The payloads on the M30T are also integrated into the drone, meaning there is near zero setup time beyond getting the drone unfolded and airborne before you can capture data. Time is always of the essence in emergency situations, and time saved now can lead to lives saved later. When it comes to complex situations or multi-stage operations, the M300 is probably your best bet, as it can stay in the air longer and swap out payloads when moving to the next stage in the mission. While the M300 is sturdy, it is quite a bit larger and takes longer to deploy. This is where the M30T can come in handy when getting into the air quickly. It is much better at navigating under canopies and narrow spaces while still providing HD, night vision, and thermal readings. It also has a higher IP55 score, making it more adept to dealing with prolonged exposure to arid, dusty, and smoky environments. Regardless of your situation or location, either one of these choices will be an ideal UAV to start your drone program. Both the Matrice 300 and the M30T will help your department respond to any number of emergency situations while saving time and saving lives. This has been Mike with DroneNerds, here to highlight the DJI Matrice 300 versus the M30T. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out at experts@dronenerds.com or leave a comment below. Thank you and have a nice day.